Hi, and thank you so much for joining me again. Here we are continuing Mortimer Goes with the Flow, released through Pisces Rising Press. Today we're going to be talking about pages 5 and 6. And for this book, basically what I did was draw digitally and paint physically via digitally. What I mean by that is I draw on transparent layers in Photoshop with my Yugi tablet. It's a 1560, I believe is the name of it, or 1560, something like that. If I can find a link to it, I'll put it in the description. I love it. It's basically, it's pretty darn good. It's a great competitor for a Cintiq, and it is not touchscreen, which I like more than having something that is a touchscreen because you don't need to worry about palm rejection. So nonetheless, here we go. I am adding color to Photoshop drawings. I create my own brush, which is pretty simple. It's nothing too fancy. I scan the color swatches onto watercolor paper, 600 dpi, so I can blow it up. Obviously, shrinking things down isn't an issue were it at a lower DPI. But since this is going to eventually go to print, I don't even think there's going to be a Kindle version of this. I think it's just all physical books. It needs to be minimum 300 DPI. So there you go, 600 DPI for scans. So here we go. This is the color I always use for Mortimer. It's one big blotch of green, and something like this, because I did scan at 600 dpi, I don't need to put this down twice. I can just put it down once, expand it, and cover both bases. Again, I really enjoy, this is one of the favorite parts of it, is to just actually cut out and free the form from the paint swatch. And once you cut things out like this, you basically create an inverse of everything around what you just cut out. The waves and the current here are actually digital drawings with a French curve. Now, the good thing about it is you don't have to worry about stroke, because you can actually adjust the stroke in Photoshop, which is great. Change the color, do all that stuff. So as I had said in a previous video, I really enjoy working on newsprint first because there's just such a lack of pressure. You know, there's nothing, no matter what you do, no matter how quote unquote bad, which I don't believe there are bad drawings, but no matter how bad you think your drawings are on newsprint, you have made that newsprint 1,000 times better than what it was. So you can always look at it that way. You have improved newsprint. Anyway, I'm very curious as to what you guys like to do. Like, how do you like to plan out your projects? Are you into notebook paper? You could be. Or are you into like just the super fine stuff and you don't mess around and you don't need to sketch anything? That's awesome. Because I know people that can do that, and I am mad jealous of people that can just sit down with a brush and a bottle of ink and it's like a Frank Frazetta painting coming to life. I guess I should not be talking about Frank Frazetta while showing you the illustrations of a children's book. Yeah. But as is life. Life is a mixture of things. So please subscribe, leave a comment. I read every one. I will try to respond if I can. Sometimes, things get crazy and it's just not possible. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. It means a lot. And if you want to hit that subscribe button, I will not hold it against you. There should be more videos coming. I do believe there's about 6 more of these just for this book. And then after that, it'll be the next project, perhaps tips, perhaps products. But right now, I kind of just want to focus on doing this and then showing you, because I am a big fan of time lapse. I like seeing how things come together, seeing how, wow, that's really going off the deep end, and all of a sudden it comes back and becomes great. So hopefully you can feel that way too and say, man, this guy has no idea what he's doing. Also, to show you that I go through a lot of different changes, I try things out and I experiment, and that is kind of the name of the game. Just keep it fluid and be like water, my friends. I'll talk to you later. Bye.